Dear students, we are moving to the last video lecture in Module 6. In this video lecture, we are discussing two concepts, ISO and quality circles. So, the first term, ISO. We all are hearing the term ISO in many of our daily life activities. ISO means, as we know, International Organization for Standardization. Actually, it's a body composed of various national standard organizations. Actually, ISO International Organization for stand for quality assurance, quality improvement. It's a body, representative body of different national standard organizations. Basically, it's how 164 national standard bodies are registered in ISO. So, basically, ISO bring together to share the knowledge, how to improve the standards, will give some norms for quality. So basically, its headquarters secretariat is based in Geneva, Switzerland. As we know, in India, the Institute for Ensuring Quality is Bureau of Indian Standard, BIS. As we know, BIS stamping, like a Bureau of Indian Standard, the representative of India in ISO. So ISO is a management practice to follow for making products or service, for confirming quality, and also ensure that it meets the need of the customer. So ISO standard gives specification for product, services and system to ensure quality, safety and efficiency. That is the advantage of ISO. ISO standard gives specifications. We will ensure for a manufacturing for industry with having ISO certification will ensure that it produces the product with the proper quality ensurement. If a service industry like a college have ISO certification, ensure that it follows certain parameters, procedure for improving quality. So there are many standards are there in ISO. There are around 22,480 quality standards are already uh, published in ISO, which is relevant to different industry like food, safety, agriculture, healthcare, education. For different industry, different ISO standards are already there. One of the most, actually, ISO began in 1926. Uh, so this is a small history. We are not much discussing about the small history. Just know that what is ISO and what is the relevance of ISO. So, what are the benefits of ISO? As we know that it's ensuring the quality. International Standard of Organization ensure the quality, basic benefit in goods, cost saving, customer satisfaction. Will if a company have a ISO, it will improve the market, increase the market share. Also, environmental benefits are there. Basic objective is core objective is quality assurance through a proper benchmarking. So, what are the 6 steps in ISO? First one is proposal. We will propose a new item, proposal is submitted. We will have a proposal. Then, proprietary, a working group is formed. Best working solutions are forwarded by the parent committee. The first working draft registered by ISO Central Secretariat, then inquiry, approval and publication. This is a 6-step process for establish ISO. One of the most commonly used ISO standard is ISO 9000. ISO 9000 is defined as a set of international standard on quality management and quality assurance to develop companies effectively and document quality system elements needed to maintain an efficient quality system. So basically, it will ensure the proper quality through a proper documentation. Major work in ISO is a documentation. We need to document every activity we are doing. So major objective of ISO is to improve a proper quality system. That's a thing we need to know. different ISO 9000 series. Actually, I try to study at least one or two. What is ISO 9000? What is ISO 9001? What is the content and what is the application? So basically, ISO 9000, as I said, content means provide definition and concepts and explain how to select other standards for a given business. ISO 9002 is the quality assurance in production and installation. ISO 9004 quality management. Like that, just have a look into different ISO 9000 series. These are the major objectives of ISO 9000. As I said, to improve the quality, to improve quality operations, to provide confidence to management, to provide confidence to customer, to provide confidence to customer quality system requirements, like that. Actually, we will ensure through proper ISO standard, we will ensure the quality, and also we will have the enough confidence to management, customers as well as employees. Next term we have to discuss here is benchmarking. I just want to give a definition for benchmarking only. What is benchmarking? Actually, we will try to, for measuring quality, we need to benchmark, or we need to compare our performance with something, right? If we need to measure something, we need to compare it with something. Actually, while we are measuring a length and we say that it's 5 centimeter, here the benchmark is 0. So, we need to have some benchmarking for ensuring our quality. So, benchmarking is a measure of performance against best in class of companies, and thus determining how we are, where we are, and how we can improve. Through benchmarking, we will compare our performance with some standards, and we will find the area we need to improve. Basically, it's a moving from where we are to where we need to. So we will plan, find, collect, analyze, and improve. We will plan our standards. We will find our performance. We will collect our information. We will analyze our information, and we will find the areas of improvement. So we will try to improve our performance by comparing to standards. Actually, we will try to move towards quality, excellence in quality by step procedure. Last term we have to be ensure study is the quality circles. Quality circle is an interesting concept in industry. It's a group, as we said, it's a group, a voluntary group composed of workers. Usually, it's a group of quality circle is a group which having the workers of the company with the supervision of supervisors. Actually, they will gather in a regular way. They are trained to identify, analyze, and solve work-related problems and present their solution to management in order to improve the performance of organization and motivate, enrich the work of employee. So, for what purpose they are gathering? As I said, quality circle is a group of workers. They will gather regularly, and they will discuss about the working condition, and they will find the problems, and they will find the solutions for the problem, and they will suggest that problems to the management. Why we need a quality circle? Basically, as we know, usually those who are working on a grassroots knows the real need of the employee, right? So only the workers representatives are known what are the real issues of workers. One thing, of course, they will also know, also they will have a practical experience how they can overcome that issue. If a body like quality circle is their industry, the management can take decisions on a right way. So it contributes towards improvement and development of the organization. So it overcome the barriers, improve for prevailing the organization structure. It will give a Positive sense to employee, they are also involved in the decision making process. So, through quality cycle, we can respect the humanity, improve the quality and product, to improve the competence, to reduce the cost, improve the efficiency and customer satisfaction. So, actually here also through plan, actually here also through continuous improvement, we will ensure the quality. Plan, the quality principle, do, check, act. 4 steps. So basically, quality circle is a body, a group body which having a representation from the workers. They will discuss about the working environment and try to improve the problem through proper suggestion to the management. So, through proper quality circles, self-development of the employee we can ensure, social development of the employee we can ensure, we will ensure the opportunity to attain knowledge. We will have the potential leaders. We will improve the communication. We will have proper job satisfaction. We will improve the healthy work environment and also organization based further. So these are the different terms we have to be discussed. In this lecture, we discussed about ISO, benchmarking and quality circles. All these three terms are important in the case of sixth module. So we are winding up the different video lectures for the sixth module. Hope it was beneficial for you. Thank you.